Respond faster and smarter to customer demands with Siemens Advanced Machine Engineering. Controlling and managing your bill of materials effectively is the best way to be prepared for your customers' increasing customization needs and enables you to handle the most complex requirements during the machine's whole service life, from the original engineering to decommissioning. The Advanced Machine Engineering solution lets machine builders combine all available options and features easily in one environment and seamlessly connects with a growing number of partners and suppliers who need to communicate with manufacturing, service and support in the most reliable way. Think digitally, be faster and smarter, and build tomorrow's machinery today with Siemens Advanced Machine Engineering. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.